In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Iconify icon as a frame or a component using the Plugins and Widgets panel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Iconify, how to pick the right icon, and when to bring it in as a frame versus a component so your workflow stays clean and consistent. Start by clicking on the action icon in your toolbar. This is the hub that opens up tools and extensions you can use inside your workspace. When you click it, a menu appears with several options that help you extend what the app can do. From that menu, click on Plugins and Widgets. This is where you'll find add-ons that bring in libraries, utilities, and integrations. It's the fastest way to access design-focused tools without leaving your current file. In the search field, type Iconify. Iconify is a massive icon library that bundles thousands of sets into one place, making it easy to stay consistent with your design language. If nothing shows up at first, double-check your spelling and wait a moment for results to load. When you see Iconify in the list, click on it to open its panel. Inside Iconify, browse or search to choose an icon. You can enter keywords that describe the object you need, or filter by style to match your project's look and feel. Take a quick moment to check the preview so you're picking an icon with the right weight and shape for your layout. Once you choose an icon that fits, click on it to select it in the panel. This confirms your pick and readies it for import. Next, click on Import as Frame if you want the icon to arrive as a frame. Importing as a frame is helpful when you plan to treat the icon as a regular group of layers, quickly adjust its size on the canvas, or nest it inside other frames without introducing reusable behavior. It's straightforward, flexible, and ideal for quick mockups or one-off uses. Alternatively, you can import as component. Components are perfect when the icon will be reused across multiple screens or projects. Bringing it in as a component gives you a single source of truth, so updates to the master component flow to every instance, keeping your design consistent. This is especially valuable for design systems, icon libraries, and any interface that needs reliable, repeatable assets. That's it. You clicked the action icon, opened Plugins and Widgets, searched for Iconify, selected your icon, and brought it in either as a frame or as a component. Choose the import option that matches your workflow and you'll keep your files organized and your icons consistent.